Hello, welcome to this series of the lesson. So here in this series, I'm just going to go ahead and teach you how to fetch an object in array. So here I will just quickly go to my Visual Studio Code here. And as you can see here in the Visual Studio Code, we don't have anything in the JavaScript file. I only have two file type, which is the HTML and the JavaScript. And in the HTML file here, I have the basic HTML heading syntax here, and the title is full stack development, and I have hyphen underscore, then I have fetch array. So I will quickly go here to my file manager here. In my file manager here, if I click on this full stack, you will realize I have array value here. If I double click on the array value, you also realize that I have two text files, which is the JavaScript and the HTML. So I'm just going to open this one for the HTML, and good. So now I'm on the browser. I will just quickly right click inside here and click on inspect. So it will open a dialog box for the console. So this is console. If I click on the console, you realize that I don't have anything inside the console because nothing has been imputed here yet in the JavaScript. So let me just quickly go straight to the JavaScript project. So here I will just do slash slash, then I will say how. Okay, let me use this. This is how to fetch data or object in array data type. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create an array. Don't forget that array is like a container, is a kind of data type in JavaScript that allows you to arrange the value or object. So I will just say that let's fruits. So fruit is the name I will use for the array. Let fruits equals to, then I'm going to use this. So inside the fruit, the first fruit is going to be apple, sorry, double P, comma, and then the next fruit is going to be banana, comma. The third fruit is going to be orange, comma. And the last one is going to be mango. So after the mango, I'm going to have a semicolon here at the back of this. Now, quickly, let me just do console.log so we can see all these fruits in our browser. So I'll just say console.log. So I'm locking the fruits in the brackets, which is the array. So if I save this now and go straight to my browser and refresh again, you realize I have all the objects I created inside that array here. So you see, and you also see that I have an index representing all the fruits, which is the object. Now the apple is 0, the index for the banana is 1, the index for the orange is 2, and the index for the mango is 3. So let me just go quickly and fetch the apple. So I will go here, and inside this fruit I will use this and I will say 0. So if I save now, let me use a semicolon down here. So if I save this now and go straight to refresh this, you realize that I have only apple now because the object I choose with the index is 0, which is the apple. So if I also go back to my Visual Studio Code and duplicate this console from here, I'm going to paste it 3 times. Then I'm going to change this to 1. I'm going to change this